You know, when we look back on the year 2021 from an automotive perspective, it wasn't exactly a big year as far as how many vehicles that automakers launched as compared to non-COVID years. However, there were two vehicles, in my opinion, that really stole the show. They're both from Ford. First was the all-electric F-150 Lightning, and the second, the return of the Ford Bronco. I have never seen so much excitement about the Bronco since OJ took that infamous drive all along the freeways of Los Angeles. Now, we've already seen the Bronco on motoring TV, but this week I thought we'd take a deeper look, find out why it took them so long to bring back this iconic brand, and also ask the question, should Jeep be worried?
Maybe you mentioned it. I think the word is the lifestyle. There's a lot of customers out there that are looking for this, pure fun adventure lifestyle. And what we offer with Bronco is exactly that. If that's what they're looking for, this is the vehicle for them. As you know, the Bronco has disappeared, hasn't been in the marketplace for about 25 years. And within that time, the popularity started growing. There was a culture of off-road enthusiasts that were kind of begging Ford, hey, when are you coming back with the Bronco? There was a demand brewing. And so over this time, and finally now, after a 25-year hiatus, we're back and stronger than ever. I think this 6th generation Bronco brings a lot with it that the even long time ago Bronco customers and owners and new customers are going to truly enjoy. Standard base is 2.3 liter EcoBoost with a class-leading 4-cylinder horsepower of up to 300 horsepower. And then you can also option into the 2.7 liter EcoBoost with a class-leading 6-cylinder horsepower of 330 horsepower. All Broncos are 4x4. Absolutely, that's a staple. The front stabilizer disconnect, what it does is improves your front articulation. You may get yourself in a position where you're slow crawling and your wheels are kind of off the ground, maybe one wheel's off the ground, and even though you might be in 4 low and the front differential is locked, you may need some extra traction. With a quick disconnect button of the front stabilizer bar, it'll release that tension, give you better articulation, and lets you get going on your way. There is a plethora of folks that like to go really into the bush, into some serious off-roading experience, and they want a vehicle that can get them through what they need to do. It's a growing thing, and I think the whole freedom aspect is another. I think the timing for us with Bronco coming back couldn't be at a better time.
So Ford says they think a lot of customers will want to take their new Ford Broncos off-road. Maybe so, but as Jeep has learned, sure, they've got the Rubicon for their Jeeps. However, there are just as many potential customers that just want to live the Jeep lifestyle. So now we have the new Bronco in lots of flavors for everyone. So it's Jeep lifestyle or Bronco lifestyle. We'll let them figure that one out. For the rest of us, it's a win-win situation.
Motoring launched in 1988, it was only found on TV. Not anymore. We have a robust website with the best auto journalists in the country. Our Facebook, where the only topic of conversation is cars, and where it's easy to win cool swag. YouTube, which boasts 30 years of archives at your fingertips, including complete episodes. Cool shirts, right? For the first time ever, we're selling them. Google Motoring TV Shop to get yours today.